Hi, my girls. I don't even know if I'm gonna put this in a vlog or what, but it's New Year's Eve and I'm gonna be outside tonight, okay? You're gonna be outside. So yeah, just stay tuned because this is really random, but I might put y'all in. I'm gonna look at my lines. You got that nigga her TikToks. But yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, I try to chill outside because it's so fire. Like, look, y'all. They got a good apartment. Like, it's so fire. Like, get into the porch. Like, look at this. It's mad long. Like, it's 2 bedroom. And it's just fire. Like, fire. But yes, I look so yeah. Okay, vlog.
Yo, no
it's giving. It's shot o'clock.
To fix the situation, pick up a bottle.
Where's your drink at? My cup is right here.
The shot o'clock frame.
I made it to happy hour. I had a great time.
She said I made it to happy hour.
I'm really happy.
Okay, y'all.
I need my cup.
It's shot o'clock time.
Can you open it or is it open?
Yes.
I just look so pretty. You over there making TikTok? That what she over there doing? Like, where's your shot?
Let me share the shot, nigga.
Oh yeah, I need to take pictures. Okay, y'all ready?
Yep.
Ready? Okay. Everybody got their cup?
Oh, I don't got no cup in her hand.
We can keep an empty one on me. No, bitch.
Empty cup at that. It's gonna stay in, Lord. Oh, baby. She showed me gave you a big ass. Okay, y'all ready? Yeah. No.
Hell no.
Okay, ready? Okay.
Up to it,
Down to it. Fuck else, we don't do it. We truly got the used to it. Drink motherfuckers running. Happy New Year's. That's the flex.
Lord. It's a man, my rent not due to the 14th.
It is paid.
But it's okay.
Right.
Okay, guys, it's the next day, and today we're going on the yacht. So we can be on that boat today, honey. So now I'm in Target right now. I'm looking for a swimsuit cover up. That's what I'm looking for. So once I find that, I can get ready because we gotta be on the yacht for 2. So they was talking about like getting there around like 1:30, 1:45, something like that. I don't even know where I'm going, y'all. Like, I'm trying to find a swimsuit section. But yeah, I'm gonna put my yellow bathing suit on. That's what I'm gonna wear. and call it a day, because I don't even be spending that much money. So once I find it, I'll be good. I just don't know what nothing else. Man. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Let me ask somebody. Okay, y'all. I made it over here by the swimsuit section. What is this? Like, hopefully they got me a cover up, because that's all I came here for. That's the extra large. I can't fit that. Shine big. Who big? Not me. Okay. Let's see. Then I had put me some press on nails. I'm supposed to be finishing my maintenance vlog. I ain't even finished that yet because I ain't go to the nail salon yet. I'm so sorry, y'all. Child, it's gonna come though. It's gonna come. Bro, where's the cover ups? Is this it? Like, they got like these shirts. I don't want no shirt. I want either like a skirt. They got like these flowy pants. I want either like a skirt or like a dress. So let me shop a little bit and I'll see what I find. Okay, y'all, so I think I'm going with this cute little cheetah little skirt cover up thing because they don't really have that many options. Like, it was either gonna be pretty much this one or this. So I'm just gonna go with the cheetah one. I think it'll be cute because I don't see nothing else. I thought it would have more like cover up options, but they don't. And I can't be in here too long because, like I said, I have to be there at 2. Well, we're supposed to be on the boat, like leaving at 2. And it's 11:46, and I still gotta get ready and everything. So, yeah. But at least this is secure, okay? I'll talk to y'all when I'm finished getting ready and finna be on that yacht, okay? Hey, y'all. We on the yacht. Like, yo, it's so cute. Like, I didn't give y'all a tour. Like, look at this. So, this is where we came down from. Then we have like this little area right here. Real cute, real cute. Little sitting area. Another section over here. Then we got like the little kitchen area. Like, it's just so cute. Then they got a little bed.
Yesterday, bro, they blew my time, bro. I feel so bad.
Like, got a bed area. And then this. Like, period. Let me show you the outside. Hey. Oh, that's cute, the little sunroof. Me. Then.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
High price lot, bro. Come on.
Sorry.
Like, it isn't, bro. That's always been.
Oh, then you gotta go over here to go to the other side. Like, let's go. And this is the front.
No, what the?
Like, yeah, and then it's the upstairs where they drive and stuff. Like, it's fine. Yes. Good.
Festo. Look, no, I'm sentimental. Me too loud when so short. Tony, these manifesto.